Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be harvesting some lettuce in my garden using the cut and come again method. So the cut and come again method is basically, as the name suggests, you're able to go out into the garden, break off or cut the leaves of the lettuce, but you leave the crown intact, so you would be able to come back again and get more lettuce when it grows back. Once the crown is intact, it will grow back and you'll be able to cut more. Alright, so before I get into harvesting the lettuce, I just want you guys to know my goals for my garden, for now anyways. So the first goal is to be able to grow what I eat and my family eats, and the second goal is to basically to be able to inspire you guys to start your own gardens and all of that nice things, because it is very rewarding when you're able to harvest what you planted. You can comment below and let me know if you already have a garden, what you're gardening, and if not, what you would like to garden. I also want to start adding to some of my videos where I have some plant updates. So I've added some new plants to my garden and I didn't record those, but I'm going to insert pictures to show you what I have planted and their progress. So this is the cucumbers that I planted. These are the tomato. I recently planted string bean. What else? I guess I can show you the lettuce and the cabbage as well. Lettuce, cabbage. So now I'm going to get into the harvesting of the lettuce, and then I'm just going to wash them and then eat them. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm just going to measure the leaf to see the length of the leaf that I am harvesting, and it was about 7 inches roughly. Now I'm just going to cut the leaf about an inch above where it is joined to the crown, and this is how it looks. So instead of using the scissors, I'll just use my hand to break it off because it came off relatively easy. I'm just going to go ahead and break off a few of the larger leaves. This section that I'm showing you, trying to show you, is the crown. That's where the leaves grow from, and if you leave it intact, more leaves should grow back, like I mentioned earlier in the video.